Today I'm going to talk about how to configure multiple devices using a file or list of devices and commands. So I have a script here, a Python script. So basically this is reporting net handler from NetMiko, and we have this commands file. This is where the commands is saved. So basically we're just using this, we are using with to open that file, and this is the file that is where the devices is saved. So let me show you those files here. So commands file, this is the content of the file. So cat. So I'm gonna have to edit this because I just tested the script before recording this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit the commands. So router saved, exit cat. Okay, so we're just enabling OSPF process ID 1 and enabling it to all the interfaces, active interfaces, and devices file. So this is where the devices IP addresses are saved. So here, these are the router IP addresses. So let me show you the topology. So we have, this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. So R1, R2, R3, and basically these switches are routers are connected to a switch, and this switch is connected to the cloud, which means that I'm using a cloud for my local computer, to interact with these routers here within the GNS3 VM. So let me go back to the script. So we are using a for loop here, and we are connecting to the devices, and we are sending the commands, these commands here, to the routers, and we are printing the output of those commands. So this script is already saved in this local the local computer. By the way, this is a Linux command or terminal. So this script here is already saved in this file. Do it again. ls to show the files, and cat to just open the file. This is the file. This is the script. So I just copied it, this script, and save it here in this file dot multiple underscore device dot py or py. So let me show you that the devices. So these are the devices. So let me show you that command again, or devices file again. I'm going to do it here. So this is R1, as you can see here, R2 136, R3 137. So let me show you that OSPF is not enabled on the routers, so no protocols are enabled on the routers. Protocols, show IP protocols, no IP protocols, show IP protocols, no protocols. So yeah, let me go ahead and run the script. Python 3, to use Python 3, and that's the file name. So let me go ahead and run it. So it's connecting to R1 now. So let me do show. Yeah, I'm too late. So it says configured from console by words. So on BTY, so SSH. Yeah. So let me verify if OSPF is now enabled on these routers. So as you can see, OSPF is enabled, and it's running for this network. Show OSPF protocols. Okay, same for OSPF is enabled. OSPF is enabled. Yeah. So I guess they are show IP OSPF neighbors. So yeah, they have become neighbors. Show IP OSPF neighbors. Show IP OSPF neighbors. So yeah, the script is working. That is just the purpose of this video, just to show you that this script here is working. So basically we are opening a file, a list of files, list of commands, and a list of devices. So this is how you can configure multiple devices using a file of devices or a list of devices and commands. So yeah, using a Python script. So yep, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.